Ahoy fellow builders, and for today's video, tara samahan nyo akong mag-color mixing. For today, we're going to make an argified violet. We're going to prepare a 30 ml paint. I-zero down lang muna natin yung weight ng bottle. Yun nga lang, nakalimutan ko alisin yung takip. Around 3 grams yung cap and manageable for adjustments. Here's the ratio: 50% silver, 25% red, and 25% blue. For adjustments, instead of 15 ml, we will aim for around 17 ml. Then proceed for the 8 ml for red and 8 ml for blue. Pasensya na fellow builders, medyo sira ang aking weighing scale, namamatay-matay siya. Anyways, proceed na tayo sa mixing. By the way, I'm using the Display Magnetic Paint Mixer. May review ako niyan, check on my YouTube channel. At alam kong kailangan nyo ito, available siya sa Hobby Alley. There you go, a nice and well-mixed argified violet. Testing time! Still, mabisa pa din siya sa black base color, so I applied it in a black painted material. Boom! A shiny, shimmery effect pa nga fellow builders. Pwede din natin siyang tawaging metallic amethyst. So yun lang fellow builders, just build more and build up.